It's me, Kathy. Welcome to Flatbread Friday. Today I had some corn and peppers and red peppers from Misfits Market, jalapeno peppers from my garden, and some onion from Misfits Market, and some hamburg. And so we're gonna make a Southwest beef pizza, and it's gonna be really good. And just follow along. And we're gonna start with our ground beef. We're gonna heat that up in a pan, cook it up till it's brown. This is 8 ounces of ground beef. And we are going to season our ground beef with some salt and pepper. And some cumin. Some smoked paprika. Whoops, I bumped you, sorry. Some chili powder. And some cilantro. Cilantro in my garden died. So we're gonna cook this until it's brown, and then we're gonna finish building up. The burger is done, and we are going to strain off the fat, and we're going to do it into a bowl because I'm going to take this fat because this fat is holding a lot of the flavor that we just put in there, and that's what I'm going to cook our vegetables in. Oh, you can't see me. Okay, the fat's going back in. Save that. So the first things we're going to put in there are some red pepper, some jalapeno, and some onion. And we are going to season those. Sorry about my arm. I'm going to season them with a little bit more salt and pepper. The garlic in it this time. All garlic and some of our true lime seasoning or some lime zest. Whoa! Don't think you need that in there. Didn't even know that was in there. And we're going to soften these up. And then we have a couple more things. I have some corn that I got off the cob, and that's going into. This is probably going to be a lot of filling or a lot of topping for our pizza. So, if I have any stuff left over, I'm going to make a burrito. Now it's time to put our meat back in. Ooh, more fat drained off, but we don't need that. It's going to be fatty enough. So we're going to stir that in and blend it around, and then we're going to build. Hey, we have our artisan pizza crust from Misfits Market. This one was bent in the package, but I got it to lay flat. So that was good. Now, I've taken some salsa and mixed it with some tomato sauce, and that's gonna be our base. So we're gonna put that on, spread it all around. Okay, our salsa sauce is down. And now I have a mixture of mild and sharp cheddar cheese. And we're gonna sprinkle that all over. And now for our beef topping mixture, our beef and vegetables. And we're just gonna sprinkle that all over. Okay, topping is on, and we're about to go in the oven. I didn't have as much left over as I thought, but I do have enough for one burrito. So we're gonna bake this at 425 for about 20 minutes, and then we'll see what it looks like. Our pizza is now out of the oven. It is bubbling up. It is crispy. It is delicious looking. I can't wait to eat this. And the next thing we're going to do is slice it, garnish it, and serve it. Okay, I've arranged a few slices on a plate. And what we're going to do next is we're going to take some ranch dressing that I made out of the ranch dressing stuff that I bought the other day. And we're going to just drizzle some on. That's going to give it a little more tang. That lime stuff really gives it a good tang anyway. And now we're just going to sprinkle a little bit of cilantro over top. And we're all decorated up and ready to eat. This is our pizza, our Southwest beef pizza, and happy Flatbread Friday. Thank you for joining me on another Flatbread Friday. Here's another picture of our pizza, and that looks so yummy. And we're gonna eat that up for dinner tonight. And you know I have pizza every Friday. So thanks again, and we'll see you soon, or I have a nice recipe coming up, so stay tuned.